Sin 3x formula derivation, sin 2x plus x is, so we can write 3x as sin 2x plus x. So this can be written as sin 2x cos x plus cos 2x sin x by making use of this formula. That is sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So now sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x as it is, plus cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now cos x into cos x is cos square x, sin x into 1 sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now this cos square is 1 minus sin square x, so 2 sin x into 1 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. 2 sin x plus sin x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So the next formula is cos 3x, which can be written as cos 2x plus x. This is of the form cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So now this will become cos 2x cos x minus sin 2x sin x. Cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. Now cos x into 2 cos square x is 2 cos cube x minus cos x. So this will 2 sin x into sin x sin square x into cos x. Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x into cos x. Now this will become minus 2 cos x minus into minus plus 2 cos cube x. So 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x is 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x will give you minus 3 cos x. Therefore, the formula for cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Thank you.